Hi sewing friends, I'm Karina from liftingpinsandneedles.com. Welcome to this channel that is all about sewing, and this is a very short one to let you know that today's Feature Friday pattern at Love Notions is this little cutie over here. This is my red Octave coat. It's a beautiful, beautiful coat. Matches the flowers over there. I have it over a beautiful dress right here, and you're going to see more about it. It's a coat that comes from sizes extra small to 5X. There's a full bust and a standard bust option. There's a type of princess seam here that turns into a pocket. All in one piece, very, very interesting sewing construction. I show you that on my channel, and there's also a course that you can purchase. I'm going to leave you my affiliate link at the top of the comment section and in the description box so you can grab it. It's a steal when it's a Feature Friday. And remember, I always have a coupon code that gets you even extra 10% off any day that you want to buy a pattern. Here is my gorgeous red Octave coat, and I used a really, really lightweight wool suiting material. It's a wool blend, not too heavy because I don't need that much warmth. The Octave coat is originally shorter. I did lengthen mine by quite a bit. It's still a straight shape down below, so I just added a lot of length there. And I used a red satin lining on the inside. As I model my coat for you, I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your well wishes, support and encouragement for my upcoming trip with my family. I'm going to be away from home for a couple of months. My sewing setup is going to be all messed up. I'm going to have to adapt. But don't worry, you'll still see sewing from me, and I thank you so much because you give me all the strength that I need to keep doing what I'm doing. I really love what I do. I am so grateful for all of you. I have a standard bust option, and this is just gorgeous. I love the short collar. I have a single button there. You can also do a hood, and you can also add on a self belt if you want to. There's a few options there. And this red is just amazing. I have a purple wrap dress under there that's made out of a knit. I think purple and red can be really beautiful together. It's not a very traditional color combination, but I think it can make us, if you want to see more about that dress, check out the episode coming up next after this short video. Here's a more conventional color combination with my dress that actually has red and black and white in there. Now, if you are daunted by the lining and the pockets, just know that I made a simplified version that is unlined with no pockets. Still looks like the same thing. And I have the other lapel option, which is sort of squared off with an angle, not rounded, which is also an add-on extension. I'll leave all the resources I have available on Lifting Pins and Needles for you linked in the comment section, so you can get a really good idea about this pattern. You can simplify it if you want to. I've worn this out many times this year, especially we got a colder winter. In summary, I've worn this one probably less than 10 times since I've made it because it just doesn't get that cold. But whenever I've worn it, I felt like a queen. I felt amazing in my red coat. It's always something that's going to stand out. And I just love making it. I love having it. And I'm going to treasure this one for so long. It's a great little challenge for you. There's a course as well. I also show a lot of the sewing on my video here on the channel. So it's something that you want to take your time with. Tick all the steps, and you'll get yourself a gorgeous coat that's super timeless, classic. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes to see all about this beautiful dress I have under here.